line this way, please.
My goodness, that place was aggressive. You gotta know what you're gonna get before you get up there, because man, if you don't, they start harping on you big time. Woo, okay. Lots of cars coming. I almost just got run over. All right, good morning. Day number 3, we're starting. We're going to World Trade Center, Statue of Liberty, and we're heading on the subway. So we just got instructions on what to do. I'm already stressed out for the girls. Oh, and we're right here. Let's just quick. All right, I gotta get my card out. All right, slide it and push. Slide it and push. There you go.
Annalise, go like this. No, facing you. Okay, now go this way.
You gotta go quick. Gotta go quick. There we go. All right. All right, that was stressful, but part 1 is done. We're through. Now we actually have to get on the same train. Oh, and it's Annalise's birthday. Happy birthday! Do we have an extra? Can I be part of the party crew? Oh my goodness, yes, I do. I don't want to be left out because I'm a parent. Also included, Annalise gave me a birthday hat. Look at that. All right, that's a signal, the thumbs up. Thumbs up means this is our train. Oh, I'm recording. Hey, hello everybody. All right, we are at the seaport, and we're about to take a cruise to go see the Statue of Liberty. So I'm just out walking around, getting some shots, but yeah, Pier 17 is where we're at. It looks super cool. It looks like it cleared up from the fires from up north. So if you didn't know, there's a bunch of fires in Canada. And there's a bunch of fires in Canada, and all the smoke is coming down here. So the air looks a little bit better. We can kind of see. But yeah, I believe this is the Hudson. But anyways, we're on a Statue of Liberty tour. This is the Brooklyn Bridge. Let me show you. I think it's a Brooklyn Bridge. I'm not actually sure. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, let me show you. Oh, how cool is that? That is so cool. And then I want to say that's New Jersey over there. I believe that's correct. No, that's Brooklyn. That's Brooklyn over there. This is the Brooklyn Bridge. That's the Washington Bridge that we were on the night tour the other day. Got to get my bearings right. But yeah, so excited. So excited. We're not actually going on Ellis Island. we are just taking the ferry around. And then we're gonna go back into the One World Trade Center and then head back. We have Harry Potter tonight, which is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to see that. And then I don't know where we're eating. So anyways, that's kind of what's happening today. So yeah, I'm gonna head back, get some pictures of the bridge, and yeah, we'll go see Statue of Liberty. Here we go. All right, that is our cruise for the day. The Circle line, Circle C line. I think we're gonna try to sit up top there. All right, here it is, Statue of Liberty. Right there. Here we go, right there. So cool.
It really is. It's just beautiful.
I know.
And the
We're done. Lady Liberty is that way. We're leaving. We're gonna go to One World Trade Center now.
you want that?
So they actually have it blocked off right now, but that's where the Twin Towers used to be. Right over there. Last time I was here, you can go right up there, but you can't do it this time.
Second plane arrived, crashing into the second tower.
All right, so that was pretty humbling, but you know, it's always good to remember, you know, the events that happen here. You know, don't forget them. So I found out that this part of here is actually closed because of the air quality from the fires up in Canada. So can't go over there. But yeah, so anyways, Harry Potter tonight. Gonna go eat dinner, gonna catch a subway, go up north, and we're gonna have a good time tonight. So good to take a break, you know, out of our fun times to remember 9/11. But yeah, so off to happier times. All right, back up to Theater District. We just went to the Oculus, which is a super cool building. I don't really know what the significance is of it, but it cost $4 billion to make. So now we're gonna on the subway again, and then we got dinner and then Harry Potter later tonight. So super excited, but we gotta jump on the subway. Got a 30-minute train ride back up north. So yeah, I'll get you when we get off. I'm F21.
Okay. Just right up in here.
Thank you. All right, guys. So that's gonna do it for day number 3. Long day today. We left the hotel this morning. You saw Statue of Liberty. And then we had Harry Potter. Tonight, the show was absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. It was 3.5 hours long, so a long show. But man, the special effects were really good. The acting was really good. It was just an amazing show. Also, it's really cool. So the kids had a workshop with the guy who played Malfoy's Scorpius Malfoy, and at the end of the show, I guess he had told them that he would come out and he would sign programs or whatever. So after the show, apparently he had told the rest of the cast to come out and sign autographs. So a bunch of them bought posters. They had the playbills that came with the show. So all the cast, that played the Potters, and everybody, they came out and they all signed all the stuff that the kids want, which is really cool because, you get to see the actors up close and personal, and you know, and they come on, they're signing autographs, and you know, they remembered the kids, so that was pretty cool. But we leave tomorrow. I'm hoping that we are going to get out tomorrow because of the air quality thing, which you may not remember. But right now we have fires in Canada, and it's making the air, like, pollution really bad. We were like at extreme levels the last couple of days, and they've had to ground all the flights out of LaGuardia, which is where we're flying out tomorrow. So I'm hoping that we get out. I have no idea. I just got a message from Southwest Airlines saying that they may rebook us, but I'm ready to get home. But anyway, so tomorrow we got Central Park that we're going to, and I don't know what else we're doing. But yeah, so that's gonna be it. It's about midnight, and gonna go to bed. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night. All right. Good morning. It's day number 4. It's our last day here. We are leaving. So far, the airline is only delayed by 5 minutes, but we don't leave till 4 o'clock tonight, and it is 7:30, so I'm hoping it just doesn't get worse. So, bye-bye, Sheridan, New York. Bye-bye. All right, I'll have to go find everybody else. All right, so just a quick update to what we're doing. We're here in Central Park. Gonna be here for a little bit. Obviously, this place is gorgeous, peaceful. But we're headed to Little Italy and to Chinatown to eat, and then we're heading home. So, quick stop here in Central Park to just check out some of the popular areas, and then we're headed to eat. Oh, you want the handbag?
And the watches.
Yeah.
He got it all. Oh my god, this is that's
We're looking for the Canal Street Market. Oh, here it is. Canal Street Market. We're in Chinatown, Little Italy.
Wait, this is so cute.
We're gonna get some cheap handbags, maybe. I don't know.
There's a bunch of shops in here.
So it's funny. All the girls are trying to haggle with this guy right here. Oh, he's trying to get 2 for $35. Uh-oh. Annalise is getting sucked in. He said 1 for 20, 2 for 35.
So
You
I
got
said,
it?
Okay, 18 or I'm leaving. And he goes, no.
He
So I
said,
was like,
no.
okay. And I put it back on the shelf, and right as I put it, he goes like, okay, 18.
Nice.
Good job, Emily.
Last time I was here, I had dinner at a place, and I swear there were like pit bosses outside. It's crazy. I was in a movie scene in Goodfellas. I love this area. Little Italy, one of my favorites in New York. We just got done shopping.
Woo! I didn't buy anything, but
Hello.
I bought things. Crew neck.
I didn't buy anything. Avery got a cute little t-shirt. Anyways, we're racing to head back to the bus because we're late. But we had some really good dinner at Pisano's in Little Italy. But now we're gonna go back to the airport 3 hours early. Hopefully we get out because they were grounding flights, but so far, I know. So far though, everything looks to be running on time. So the air quality doesn't seem to be too bad today. So it looks like we're in the clear. One of the big things here in Chinatown is getting fake handbags. Check this out. Look at all this right there. All of that right there selling fake handbags. That is so crazy. I'll put a picture here, the one that Marissa and I bought a very long time ago when we were here.